Hello everybody, it's been such a long while since I've spoken to you guys, so I suppose I would just drop this vlog to update you guys about what's going on, because going AWOL is not cool. So I've been quiet for very long. Don't worry, it's nothing really bad that's happening to me. As some of you may know, I'm still a film student, and right now I'm actually really busy with my internship. So I'll be doing my internship for 14 weeks straight, and during this period of time it's gonna be really hard for me to find time for anything other than work. So that's why I've been so quiet. So what am I doing for my internship? I'm actually joining a production company that's filming a TV series. So they haven't begun shooting yet. So until then, which then I will be on set, right now I'm assisting with production prep, basically. So talking about that, if you happen to have any generic questions about the TV industry in general, just ask away and I'll try to answer what I can and what I'm allowed to. Now, I'm not allowed to divulge details about the project itself due to legal reasons, confidentiality. A lot of it is confidential, intellectual property rights, this and that. Hopefully after the series airs on TV, I might be able to share some details with you guys, but until then, I guess I can only tell you guys about the industry in general, but that's probably gonna have to wait until after my internship, after I get the full picture, because I haven't been on set yet. So yeah, that's basically just my update for you guys, for those of you who are wondering what I've been up to. I'll try to find time during my off days to make content for you guys. I still have a couple of product reviews that are lined up. So for those of you who are still watching, I suppose I'll tell you guys what I'm filming this on. This is filmed on my Canon C100 Mark II. It's on a carbon fiber tripod that's really small so it can fit in my car. It's a really tight space. I'm wearing an Insta mic for audio. I'm also running on-camera audio on the C100 handle. I haven't decided yet which one to use during editing. Depends on which one sounds better. And this is not a light from my car. This is actually the handy little Aperture M9 that I've stuck in my, I've no idea what this is called, the visor, I suppose. Yeah, so I can like just kind of angle it around. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Keep in touch. Thank you so much for watching, and I suppose I'll see you soon.